I'm going to show you Marcus software for auto repair shops, which is right here. We double click that, and then we're going to look at the demo file, demo data 999. Here you see where the data is. It's in users public application data, MSAut1a, auto repair shop 1a. And we go on there. There's your introduction to this program. The repair shop billing is for free. And then we continue. And there we see Marcus Academy software for car repair shop version 1A. And we have a couple invoices for this program right now. Let's look at Lee McCoy. We double click it, and it'll come up with the invoice. There's your client information. There's your vehicle information. There's the invoice number. We go to line items, and there we see the line items for this invoice. Here we have LOF, maintenance, lube oil and filter, one each at $9.20. Here we can look that up. We can look up history. We can look up, we can insert a line. We can add inventory. We can recommend. Recommend work. And you see it's recommended. And if we recommend again, it de-recommends it. We have schedule reminders, all kinds of reminders for this invoice, tune engine, change oil, and how many months from now it's going to fill out the reminders. We go done. We can print it. We file it. We refresh. Here we have the totals, labor, parts, subtotal, sales tax, and grand total. Let's add a line here. We just go to the new line, and we look up. We're going to look up labor. Oops. We're going to look up service and part. Oh, here are different kinds of services we can do for a car. We're going to go for computer check. Double click it in computer check. And we're going to do one computer check. And here you have a new labor amount, new parts, subtotal, and sales tax. We refresh. And then when we're done with that, we process it. So that's how you work the billing area and repair and process. To put in a new invoice, you put the name of the person that you want for that invoice. We're going to put A. Then you press enter like it says, and type the first few characters, then press enter. So we put A. And then we have Bill Allen. We can make an appointment. Or we're going to look up that customer. We click it and select it. And then it's going to come for his vehicle. And we select it. And there we have a new invoice. And you fill it in right here. But we're going to cancel this out. Changes will not be saved. Yes. And we're back to where we are now. Different things in this program. You have appointments. And we have quotes. Here's a quote. We double click it and it'll come up with a quote. There's your quote, client information, vehicle, and invoice info. And there's the invoice. And there's our quotes. And then we have different maintenance. We have customers, product, service, codes, general ledger accounts, interface, company information. You can print customer mailing labels. You do period end routines. Read the manual. It'll tell you about that. We have history. You can back up your backend files or restore it. And we're going to close it. We have payroll and general ledger. And here we have payroll. Here's general ledger. We can print the income statement, the revenue section, and something very important is the trial balance. And we can print the trial balance for any month. Then we have account receivable and reminders. There's accounts receivable. We can print the aging report. There's the closing date. We're going to print it for everyone. And we're going to view it, not print it. And you can print it to the printer. Accounts receivable, aging, view, or print. So we're going to view it. And there you will see the accounts receivable report. This is for Diane Troy, and this is for Bill Allen. There's one page for that. Then we close that. Then you have your reminders. Then you have your daily book. After you file, you close it, and then you enter cash receipts, and you enter the money you got for the invoices for that. There'll be a number here and invoices, and they either paid cash, check, or credit card. And you'll have the amount to be accounted for, the amount that they paid you, and your cash short and over. And then you can post it. So that is basically how Car Repair Shop version 1A for Marcus Academy software works. Please download it. It is on a website which I give in x.com. And I hope that this is of use to you or that you find it interesting to use. Thank you very much. Bye.